Hey everyone, keep getting questions on like what's the best funnel system or what would be the best funnel system to show people. So I'm actually in a gal's back office that we built a killer funnel for, and let me show you what we did. Now she's in a weight loss coffee business, so we have pages that we set up that on the front end talks about get a sample or weight loss coffee. Okay, so we have that page, but we've also done a couple different things. We have a page that looks like this, talking about more of the weight loss. We have a, what else do we have here? We have a another page, I think. Let me see if this is it. Yeah, now this one's just focused on the weight loss. So those are three different pages, okay? But I want to show you every one of those pages, and I think we have a moms work at home too. So we have this moms to attract moms. So we have all these pages that you could use on the front end to post on Facebook, etc., to get people to put in their name, email, and phone number. But as soon as they do that, we have built a funnel now, or landing page funnel. Now, what it is they have three. Now, your business might not have three videos. Maybe your business has two. Maybe it only has one. But what we did, because they were using a coffee, we put like a coffee bean background here that you can see. This is an overview video on top. It's an overview about the company, all about it. And then they had a video testimonial video. So there was all these video testimonials. So people would, after they watched that, they got them the overview, they got excited. Then they actually saw, proof that it works, got them more excited. And then we brought them into the how we pay. So then they went to the comp plan video. So now they understood how they can get paid and how they can make money working with this company. Now down right underneath that, you have questions, call me. So if anybody had any questions after watching these three videos, they could immediately look at the person's name and call that phone number, or they could click this button, and when they click that button, then it takes them, to that person's corporate website. So realistically, this is how to build a killer funnel system. Is on the front end, you make it curious. You want to get them to give you your name, email, and phone number. And then they pop in, and this is where you use all your company's best videos. Maybe you only have two videos. Maybe you're really good at explaining it. So maybe you have a video of you explaining here, and then a second video of you talking about the comp plan. Because in the Conversion Pros, we offer video pages that allow you to have one video, two video, or three videos. Then on all those pages, you want to make sure your name and phone number is there so they can reach you. And then you're going to link that button then to your join page. So after they're already excited, after they watch this, they're ready to go join you. So this is a great example of a killer funnel system that allows you to go get signups in your business and how to do it. So grab your best videos and basically build out this 1, 2, 3 system. Page one is your curious capture pages. Page 2 is your awesome funnel system. Then 3 is your corporate website. Now, again, all those pages we show you in the beginning all point to this page. So even though we had 5 different capture pages that looked, 5 different things, coffee, and then you got the weight loss, and then you got the moms, they all went to here. So that's the power of the Conversion Pros, is you could put multiple pages up that look entirely different, but still pop them right into your funnel that has your best closing videos to get them signed up in your business. Hope that helps.